what if I will tell you that this is a tool that will help you to find the best selling and trending products on e-commerce sites and social media platform. As you can see, this tool help you to do product research, ad research, store research, keyword research, and even app research. Okay, so the tool name is Diffshop and it is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $69. It means that you will pay $69 one time and you can use this software lifetime. If you want to claim its lifetime deal, then link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link, so if you want to check it, then link is in the video description, and I will show you how to use this platform step by step. But first let's discuss about this tool and discuss about its feature and pricing in detail. Okay, so as you can see, Diffshop is a tool that help you to identify trending product across social media and e-commerce site with this trend discovery tool. Okay, it monitors the latest best selling trending product on e-commerce sites like Shopify, Shein, and Temu. And there are some great feature of this tool, like you can monitor the live metrics for more than billion product, okay, on Shopify, Shein, and Temu, and also it will give you access to 60 million plus social media ads. So suppose if you want to run any ad to promote products, then you can access the 60 million plus social media ads, so you can understand which type of ads are working in your niche and your type of product, so you can follow the same thing and you can get the better result. Okay, and let's talk about its feature. Okay, so you will get access to store research, product research, ad research, you will get bookmark feature, and you will get store and product search data for this platform, Shein, Temu, and Shopify, and all the upcoming store that they will include in this tool, and also ad research via Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and they will also add some other platforms, social media platform in the future, and you will get access to this future social media platform integration for free, and you will get white labeled research download option. Okay, so now let's discuss about Diffshop pricing plan. So Diffshop currently comes with 4 pricing plan. Tier 1 plan will cost you just $69. You can add 1 user, you can do 100 store searches per day, you can do 100 product searches per day, you can do 100 keyword research per day, and also you can do 100 ad searches per day. It is per day, not per month. Okay, and if you are confused that this limit is very low, then I want to tell you that it is showing that 25 keyword research download per month. It is not about doing the keyword research. So it means that you can do 100 keyword research per day, but if you want to download any data, then you can download only 25 keyword research data per month. Okay, so I don't think you need to download any keyword research data. If you want to do keyword research, you can do it, and you can make a list of all the keyword in other places if you want. But if you literally want to download, then you may feel that this limit is very low, but I don't think you need to download any keyword research data. So 25 keyword research download per month is more than enough. Okay, I hope you understood. And there is tier 2 plan, tier 3 plan, and tier 4 plan, which will give you higher limits, okay, and more sub accounts. Okay, so now let's discuss about how to use Diffshop platform. Okay, so when you will grab the lifetime deal of Diffshop using the link given in the video description and log into your account, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, as you can see, first tool in Diffshop is product research tool. With the help of this product research tool, you can find the best selling and trending product across Shein, Temu, and Shopify store. Okay, and there are lots of filter option like country. There is currently one country showing in the product research section, which is United States. There is no other country available, so you should keep this in mind. And next is you can select the product type, okay, like best seller, trending, niche, revenue, or new arrival. So whatever you want. Suppose I want to find only those products which are selling like crazy. Okay, best selling product, I want to find only best selling product, so I have selected this, and you can decide the price range from here, like $2 to $5 like this if you want. So next is unit sales. Okay, so if you want that you want to find only those product for which more than 5,000 units have been sold successfully, or 10,000 units has been sold successfully. So you can enter that quantity here. Next is rating. So if you want that rating should be 4, 5, whatever it is, then you can enter it here. Unit month on month growth, okay. And next is launch date. If you want that I want to find only those products which have launched in last 6 months like this, then you can select the date range from here, and also you can add your keyword from here. Okay, suppose I want only those products which are related to gym. Okay, I want to find gym related product. Okay, so I have entered gym, and there is 3 different search options, so I will recommend you to select the second option, and let's click on search now. Okay, so after applying your filter, you will get all the product list like this, and as you can see, it is showing me one t-shirt, pricing is 3.99 USD, and it is showing that 8,000 plus units has been sold successfully. Okay, and next is, and it is launched on 1.5 year ago. Okay, and sales trend is also increasing, and average rating is also very good. So if I want to bookmark it, then I can bookmark, and if I want to do image search, then here is the option for it. Okay, and as I already told you that there is different 3 different platform available like Shein, Temu and Shopify. Okay, so you can change it according to your requirement and you can check it. Okay, next one is ad research. So suppose if you found a product like gym t-shirt, and if you want to find a perfect ad that you can run to on social media platform so that you can increase your sales, then what you can do, you can do ad research on Meta and TikTok. And you will be glad to know that they are going to give you access to 60 million plus social media ads. So it is a huge data. You can find a perfect ad. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple filter option, like you can filter all the ads by country. Like I want to find only those ads that are currently running on United States, and I can also select the tag and launch date, last seen and number of days, and also ad type, video, image or anything. I can select it from here, and I can also enter my keyword here. For suppose I am selling gym t-shirts and I want to find only those ads which are also selling gym t-shirts using the Meta ads. Okay, so what I can do, I can write gym t-shirts here, and I can click on search now, and it will show me only those ads on Meta platform which are currently selling gym t-shirts. And I can also check their number of likes, comments, reposts, number of days ads is running, and daily likes and cost. Okay, so it will give me everything that I need. And suppose I want to check the original post, then here is the link to original post. I can click on it and I can watch the original ad if I want. Okay, as you can see, so in this way you can find the perfect ad for your product in your niche. Okay, next is store research. So if you want to spy on your competitor, then you can use store research feature. Same as previous, there are multiple filter options, like you can select the country, you can select the platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or anything, and you can select the visits, category and all these things, and also you can enter a keyword if you want, and after that you will get details of all the stores in your niche. So you can follow it, and you can see copy it so that you can also increase your sales. Okay, so as you can see, for example, it is showing me first store Fashion Nova, and here is the snapshot of this site, and monthly visit is 20 million plus, and here are some product details of this particular store, and there is also link of all the social media platform of this particular store. So in this way you can do a complete store research using this Diffshop platform. Last is keyword research. So if you want to do keyword research, then there is 2 platform available like Google Shopping. You can do keyword research for Google Shopping and Google News, and with multiple filter option as you can see. Okay, and last one is app research. Here you can check the apps on ecosystem and Shopify store. Okay, and number of installs and bookmarks and all these things. So this is my quick review of Diffshop product research, ad research, store research and keyword research tool. With the help of this tool, you can find the trending product, best selling product by applying multiple filter, like you can filter all these things by country, by number of units sold, best selling, trending, month on month growth, and whatever you want. You can apply multiple filter, you can apply any keyword or whatever you want, and you can find a perfect best selling and trending product for your e-commerce store. And also you can do ad research to run a perfect ad for your product so that you can increase your sales. And also you can spy on your competitor with the help of store research. And if you want to do keyword research, then here is a separate tool for doing the keyword research on Google Shopping and Google News. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. So Diffshop is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You can claim its lifetime deal for just $69. Link is in the video description. And also if you want to check all the new products that have been launched on AppSumo recently, then I will also share that link in the video description. So just go and check it out and grab this deal as soon as possible. This deal may be expire at any time, so grab it as soon as possible. So I hope you found this Diffshop review and tutorial video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.